Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Assist video. I ran into this problem and thought I could share it on YouTube to see if anyone else has this problem. So if you're trying to connect your Bose speakers, and then so you go to the very top, and then we're gonna go ahead, make sure that it's paired or recognized on your MacBook. And then you go ahead and you're trying to connect and it does not connect. This is one troubleshooting thing that you can be doing. So sometimes your speakers, your Bose speakers, may be connected to another device. Connected to a phone before, then we're gonna wanna disconnect. So as you can see, right here, we have Bose right here and it's connected, which is why I cannot connect it to my MacBook. So this is a common issue. It could drive you nuts if you forget what you were connected to, but all you have to do is now go to your whatever device you're connected on, and then so we see Bose here, it's connected. Go ahead, click that I, and then we're just gonna simply put disconnect.
Rename me anything. Disconnected. Ready to connect.
And then we should be able to connect now. Sometimes if that doesn't work, then you do have
to connect.
Reset the Bluetooth. So then that is still not working.
Ready to connect.
We're gonna hold down and let it forget devices.
Bluetooth device list cleared. Ready to connect.
Okay, so let's go ahead and then we'll also turn that off and turn the Bluetooth back on. We're gonna go ahead, try it again. We're trying that again, it's not working. So then what we're gonna wanna do is on the MacBook, we're gonna go Bluetooth settings, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wanna go here. If this does not work, then we're gonna wanna forget the device. Okay, so once we forget the device, then we're gonna see on the bottom nearby devices. And then let's go ahead and try clicking this again, the Bluetooth, and then it should pop up. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. All right, so it popped up down here, nearby devices, and now once we connect, it should
connected to.
And the last effect is you can.
Okay, so now you're on your Zoom or whatever you're doing, and it's connected. Let me lower the sound. Anyhow, so this is like a troubleshooting video in case you're not able to connect for some reason. It's usually because your speaker might be connected to another device like it was in this case with my phone. Okay, so I hope this video helps and works out for you. See you next time. Please like or subscribe. Bye-bye.